Hello everyone, thank you so much. Welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to install Ansible using Python. So first we need to install the Python pip package. So we'll say yum install Python pip. So it will install the pip package, and through pip we can install Ansible. So here we'll say yes. Installation completed for Python pip. Now let's install Ansible. So we'll say pip install Ansible. So it will install the Ansible. So this progress bar we are seeing differently in the screen because of this putty. But if you use the Teratum or other tool, you will not face this kind of issues. Still it's in progress. We'll get a prompt again for hash prompt. So here we can see that Ansible installation is completed successfully using a pip. Thank you so much for watching this video.